Hello guys, this is my friend. And let's go and let's go there. And ikaw yung bike kasi magpa-practice ka. Tapos ako yung scooter.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's go.
Super.
So this is my little bestie. Sorry. And this is scooter. Oh, wait.
Tapos ayusin mo.
Dikit mo dito. Oh, wait. Hirap.
Yan.
You are practicing now. And look at me. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
What? Is getting tinda and palengke.